In StatCrunch, we are allowed to find all of our summary stats using the same basic steps. So I just wanted to do them all at one shot. That way you can see them done and you'll know where to find all of them at the same time. So I've got a data set in here. I actually just uploaded the data set. It was from the example 2-1 in the textbook. So feel free, if you want to work along, you can upload that data set into StatCrunch. If you get that uploaded, all you need to do to find all of your summary stats, to find your two centers, your mean and your median, and to find your different spreads, your quartiles or your standard deviation, you need to go to Stat, Summary Stats, and we are looking at a column of data. So I click on Columns. Our column is Minutes. Click Next. From there, we can choose what all we want to be listed. So my N is my sample size, that's a default. My mean and my median both are defaults. So those are my two measures of center. Variance, you learn a little bit about variance. You can sure put that over there. It's not absolutely necessary, but it's not a bad thing to look at. Our measures of spread, our standard deviation are over there. Our min, max, quartile 1, quartile 3, and even our range. And if you remember, our range is just our largest number minus our smallest number. We also have other options. You can sum up the data, you can find the interquartile range, and then the rest of that information is beyond what we need for this course. So just a few different things that you can use. I am going to go ahead and hit calculate. As you can see, I print out a column statistics table. This tells me that my two measures of center, my mean is 22.5 approximately, my median is 20. Since my mean is bigger, that tells me I may have a slight right skew, but they are fairly close, so I would assume they're probably fairly normal, but a histogram would give you that information. I can also look at one measure of center. If I use my mean as my center, then I would use my standard deviation as my spread. So that tells me one standard deviation from my mean is about 15.2. Another option is to use my 5-number summary, where I would list my min, my Q1, my median, my Q3, and my max. They're not going to be in order over here, but you can list them in order when you write them out in your homework. So you would copy and paste that over, and then you would need to write them in the correct order. Also, within my different measures of spread, I have my range. My range tells me that when I take my biggest number and subtract my smallest, I have a difference of 55. So just some more information that you can take out of that.